My name is Ken Asserson. I wrote a microbiome description website, and I just added another feature came out of a very specific reader request, which actually may apply to other people. The person has several infections with bacteria which his doctor wants to give him antibiotics for. His question, which is very reasonable, is there one probiotic which will probably address every one of the infection? Instead of doing 5, you do 1. Second is, of those which have positive effect on all the bacteria cited, is which one as a side effect is most likely to improve his microbiome? In other words, 2 birds with 1 stone, and hence he tossed me oh joy, that is an interesting problem. So to illustrate the issue, I'm there, and let's go over to, hopefully I remember the right spot. No, it is special studies. Right there. Finding effective for collection of bacteria. We have there, and now let's take a look at what we're going to do. What I'm going to do is I decided to do an example using UTIs. So we have multiple infections associated there, which we have these. And now what I'm going to do is take you through the steps. First thing you need to do is we have to put in a taxon number. Not the names, but a taxon number. So there is a little touch of work for you to do it, but it's very easy. Just, excuse my clumsiness. Look up bacteria, open a new tab, and there, and the first one, which was E. coli. So we copy that in. We paste that here. Remember to leave the percentage at the sign. And there we have 562 is a magic number. So we hop back and we'll put 562 there. That's it. We go to the next one, which is pneumonia, and we go into the same thing. And 573. Okay, 573. Now at this point in time, we could just go and get the list, and there we have the ones ranked ordered. The one which impacts all is this at the top, with the amount of confidence we have in the numbers, and then below it we have the positive side effects. So we see the positive side effects are pretty good there. And let me just do one quick check. And I should do a quick refresh. I know where. Okay, I'm just trying to fix a couple of things, so 1 second. And the effect I wanted to do was getting rid of all those decimal points. And the next thing is, after that, we are sorting by side effects. So we have, for example, here, we have 3 which we have confidence in, and then there. So these are ones which impacts all, and then below is the much longer list that impacts at least 1 or 2. But let's go back, and we are going to go on to the third bacteria listed for UTI, and we're going to hop over and drop that in. And it is 584. So we go back here and drop in 584. And we're going to do one more and then see what we get. One, 3, 5, 1. Now let's go and get a list. Okay, so now we have a list of everything that impacts all of them, which is a good list, fair number. Now, your doctor may have a preference for one or another. Often it's because of side effects. Other cases, it is because some of the bacteria being targeted may have developed resistance against some of these antibiotics. I don't have that information on the database, and that information is very regional. I'm going to go back and toss in the very last one just to see. And the very last one, we are going to go here. And there we have the very last one. And now we're going to go over here, toss that in. So we are doing 5 different bacteria. And there we have the list. And the list gets a bit shorter. And we see which ones have the side effects. So we have one which really looks good, and then a couple of others there. So for urinary tract infections, that's it. This may not be what he was looking for in terms of this combination, but it does illustrate how you go about doing it. The thing to do is you have to look up the taxon numbers. It was easier just because this is sort of a one-off oddball. Just, hey, just use the search to find taxon numbers and just comma separate them and you're done. Okay, that's it.